Just mossing out. It is now 12:04 on a Thursday night. So I got about an hour in. Halo 3 just came out. Time to kick back, get some gaming in for maybe half an hour or so, and let's do it up. This is probably like the most comfiest place is like I normally lie on my back, but it looks kind of strange streaming for now, so I guess this is kind of a cool angle. Oh, and side note, after reinstalling Windows 10 on my PC, I totally forgot to install the drivers for my controller, and in doing so, I have now installed the drivers. Hold on, I'm just reconnecting my Xbox controller. It's connected. Kind of confuses me still. Just remember, that's the button there. Hit the WPS button on that and the plug. Keep it connected. Yeah, I totally forget about it all the time. So anyway, I'm on some Halo. Why am I not keyboard and mouse? Because it's Halo. I usually prefer to play shooters. I want to do heroic and... Alright, fine. Hey, Lurks. Oh, hold on. The sound isn't working. Just give me a second there. Oh no. Okay.
Was I wrong?
This ain't good. Damn. 2 kilometers. Easy. Stay sharp. Foreman, his armor's locked up. Gel layer could have taken him to the impact. I don't know, Sergeant Major.
So this was one of my favorite Halos. Spoiler alert. Samurai armor.
Radio for VTOL. Heavy lift gear. We're not leaving him here.
Yeah, you're not.
Crazy fool. Why do you always jump? One of these days you're gonna land on something as stubborn as you are. And I don't do bits and pieces. Where is she, Chief? Where's Cortana?
Don't make a girl a promise if you know you can't keep it.
stayed behind.
Corporal, make it quick.
Sorry, sir. Your armor's still in partial lockdown.
Wait. Arbiter's with us.
Wait, I'm the arbiter.
Enough to worry about without you two trying to kill us.
Words so easy. We must go. Prove ourselves.
Then they must love the smell of evil.
So this is on a bit of an angle for me right now. It's a bit hard to, but oh yeah. I think this is I don't know if it was the second or the third, but this is when the skulls were first introduced into the Halo series, as well as customizable armor.
Move out. Why did you
I remember the second was the first with those scarabs. Am I lagging?
Phantom inbound.
If I start lagging too much, I'm gonna have to stop this for a little bit, go play this maybe in private, because I can't really deny somebody the experience in this way.
We stick together, we're gonna get spot.
Looking across, it's a little bit laggy, so I'm gonna switch programs and restart the stream.